Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are with you very lovely and very beautiful. We share design ideas of window and grill. All these design of windows and grills are very famous and are going to be trend in large numbers in 2024. People who are getting new work done in their home are confused about the design of windows and grills. Then this video is special for them today. So do not skip the video. And all those who have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so that you get notification of every upcoming video and never miss any of your videos. How did you like today's video? Please express your opinion by comments. We will keep bring such funny and very video for you every day. Thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you very much for staying connected with my channel. Please share this video with your friends and family.